Oy, kamusta? Tagal niya nawala. Yun lang. Bako pa doon kasi hindi ako makakalaro. Ito lang yung nalalaro ako na regular. Kaya inun ako na. Yung sa akin. Ito ako kasabay. Kailangan ako din.
up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Yeah. Throw my windows up, dollar bring the windows up. These ass niggas wonder how I got my jiggy up. I'm so damn big, I need a goddamn a single cup. Someone turns a big and she my bed until she pick me up. When I double pop a lag, that rock top to the top, bitch, I'm stepping in the gas. Talk like that, hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Bitch, I'm in the head, the thongs together, bitch, I really sick. Don't crack, don't shit, that is what the 320. She ain't got her shit together, she ain't getting it. See the man top bunker, the boy got thumpers. I'm a bona fide face, C-box muncher. Talk like that, bitch, I call right back. Never in my business, good drive in the one thing. Never raise the hand and strap on them like a gangster. Don't work like night shit. I'm thunder, I like shit. I plug this, I plug that. I feel good, I'm spicy. Why you acting hard? I'm like David Keys. I ain't tough, I just turn fun. Like I'm scrolling peas. Talk like that. And if I hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Yo, woman in the left, dollar to the left. Never got to see it. I got model niggas in the truck. Fuck it, fuck it, shit up. Yo, this shit up. Celebrate, this your birthday. Bitch, you boss it up. No, I'm really boss it up. I could never ride no Hellcat. Shit don't cost it up. Sloppy, if you get that sloppy, you can sleep at. Never tell the lady when you take your breathe at. My ex is feeling tea about me, don't you drink that? And when you call me brother, I just let you keep that. With these type of views, it ain't serious on my TV. So you don't have to call, I'm ushering and on the TV with 20 guys on it, 100 guys on it, 50 guys on it, a couple guys on it. Oh, this is a job. I stayed until Hamilton. I had that ex-members getting pressed. And I was packed out. Me and my boys in drama class. My brother act now was really high. Future all them other niggas whacked out. These niggas out the city, out the king. That's a fact now. She ain't never made no one talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. I'm not with that shit, man. That's why I'm pulling on you now. Paranoid now, cause niggas beat on really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas beat on really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas beat on really bums. Just bought a brand new gym, fucking son. Church Taliban in that place for the block. Something about to rap on this, but it's not. Where you tryna go, cause you smoke at the top. Spray at the party, throw them bitches in a truck. You was just on your street, niggas get mad up. I ain't finna move the bitch, it's just us. They can't find a shooter, bitch, cause it's us. It was us. Nigga shot my brother, now I don't know who to trust. My house be so broke that we been shooting at the bus. Bro, say play it patient now, dog. I'm in the rush, I'm trying to book, ayy. I'm trying to shoot, trying to clutch, ayy. I'm trying to add them to the list like a deluxe, ayy. I'm trying to watch the windshield off of my truck, ayy. I'm trying to snap the twins, show them it went up. Listen. Really, it's no wonder why my neck is feeling pain. Damn ice, man, your initials just changed. Mr. Riku, that's my other name. Spray at the party long, real really strange. Chances are I'll probably never see these up again. No face bleed, that's my motherfucking hitter. Drink is your daddy and he couldn't find a sitter. Every single year, when I'm grossing, nigga bigger. If I really cop it, I have some niggas treated my bad. Ain't no real rapper, I'm a fucking grave digger. You don't like me cause my niggas killed one of us, nigga. Yo, you talk on the pillow, dog. Watch me do the chain and dance, smack your name, hit her. I got 50 some old school, like my name still a 21. All you niggas cap, they exaggerating. So she go against the mob, you can land on your backs. I don't speculate if I see you miss the facts. We the type of niggas cut the tails off the rats. Us, it was us. Niggas shot my brother, now I don't know who to trust. My eyes be so broke that we been shooting at the bus. Don't say play it patient, nah, y'all don't make me rush, I'm trying to do it. Slow down, go on. Look like you're trying to make your ass fall off. Never think I wanna smash your mouth now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. Always speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal. Black money, look at most say amen. I'm just trying to make it clear, boy, there ain't bands. I'm a great man, well, say friend. I play a whole late night, DJ head now, room full of rappers. Tell them give me time, but baby, that now. I need the numbers, I'ma say G.E. Who would like to know? 3545, large million drop. West side, what you do? And you got to what that shit do? It's pretty nigga mine, it's the way that I go. I'm stepping up in the club and you drop to my show. I do not cause I score. I don't give a fuck, silhouette, nigga, out of me, I can afford sport. You said, no, I never got a good hand. Got a booty like Chris, I'm tryna make it. Wow, slow down. Look like you're tryna make your ass fall off. trick for $1 bill. And a boyfriend, a bitch called Tyler Perry. I'm in the black bat, looking scary. On my way to the cake, no big Gary. Oops, baby, never been a fake. Lead into the bathroom, she actually really take it. Tell her slow down, baby. Get to the time, tap the spin and blow down, baby. When you hit the stage, people doing 180. When I hit the stage, in the club on the baby. You need some good days, you got a white bitch, let me cut out, she's shady, This is so crazy, got 2 hoes, living in my old bitch, hate me, All about my payment, say we get money, that's an understatement, Slow down, grind. Like you're trying to make your ass fall off. And I think I wanna smash your mom out. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal.